So today we're working on the 2003 Buick Park Avenue. We already got this is the old radiator hose. Got that swapped out. There's the new one in there. And that was a pain in the ass, not gonna lie. My cousin helped me. Shout out cuz. We dropped a bolt down there, so we ended up having to take everything off, the whole air box, and piece by piece, bolt by bolt. It looks like one piece, but it breaks down into like a few pieces. And the hard part was,
main thing is you gotta take off this stuff here,
yeah,
this box here, just so you can reach over here to get this cake, the hose.
Exactly.
So we did that, and took a minute, but we got it. We got it right.
Yep. Coolant everywhere. We're actually about to refill the coolant system right now. We got our coolant ready. The deck's cool. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
And I know y'all see me with the ice cream, but shout out my boy. He came through. Brought me some ice cream. I was stressing out and hooked it up. Shit, bomb as fuck. Appreciate you, bro, if you seen this. Yeah, man. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way. And I know you guys might be wondering exactly why I was replacing the hose. So I ran over some like PCP or PCV piping fell out of some dude's work truck. I ran it over and it shot straight up from down there when we ran it over on the freeway. Shot straight up and pierced the hose. What are the odds of that? Right? But anyways, we're back and we're better. And we're about to do the first startup, see how it goes. Hopefully we did everything right. If we did everything right, we don't got nothing to worry about. Right, cuz?
Cooling inside the Park Ave. Real deck's cool right there. GM brand.
That's that orange Gatorade. Damn, think about it, for a car, that's refreshing, right?
Yep, that's what keeps it fucking hydrated. Clean 3800. Well maintained too. First startup on the Buick after the coolant hose replacement. See how it goes. One's going to be added into the system. No leaks.